episode 120 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we are going to take a look at one of my favorite trade setups, which is the pin bar. This is the easiest trade setup to identify because we are only looking for one candlestick. Let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at how to identify this trade setup, what we are looking for, how to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit.
Today we are looking at a pin bar trade setup. This is $CAD daily chart. A pin bar is usually formed with a small body and a long wick. This is a bullish pin bar, so the wick is towards the bottom, and in this case we would be looking for a long entry. Once we see that the pin bar has finished forming, we can enter the trade at the close of the pin bar. The stop loss would go below the pin, making sure we give it some room for the trade to breathe, and we enter the trade long here. In this case, we stay with the trade as long as it continues to go higher. Here we see that the price has given us a red candle here, which looks like a bearish candle. However, the price is staying below the previous support and resistance levels, so we can continue on with the trade. And the very next candle that we get is a bullish engulfing candle, so we can stay with the trade. However, as we go further here, see how the candles aren't really moving higher. The size of the candle is getting smaller and it's starting to flatten out, so we are hitting resistance at this level and the price just isn't going any higher. So this is called a compressed move. Once you see a compressed move, that's usually the indication that the price is likely to come lower. So we see a compressed move as well as a big pin on the opposite direction, so big pin bar with a wick in the opposite direction. So this is a good place to exit the trade. From entry to exit here we have 290 pips in the trade, or $2,900 if trading one standard lot. So just to recap here, we are looking at a pin bar trade setup. This is a bullish pin bar, which means we have a green body that is very tiny and a long wick to the bottom. Our entry can be right as the pin bar closes. The stop loss goes below the bottom here, below the wick, and we stay with the trade till we see that the price is losing momentum. And then once we see this reversal candle, we can exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we have 290 pips in the trade, or $2,900 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this trade setup, please feel free to share with your friends. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.